What's the meaning of CATV? CATV. CATV.
CATV. CATV. CATV stands for Community Antenna Television or Cable Television, and refers to a system of delivering television programming to consumers via coaxial cables. The system uses a network of cables and amplifiers to distribute TV signals from a central location to individual households. CATV has been widely used since the 1950s, and has played a major role in the development of the television industry. Today, many cable providers offer additional services such as internet and phone service along with TV programming through their networks.